What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Do you know how to avoid being rejected for a signature loan? Do you intend to take out a personal loan to satisfy an immediate financial need? If the prospect of your loan request being denied makes you nervous, here are some things you can take to prevent having your signature loan application rejected. You never know when you'll need a personal loan, so keep an eye on your credit record and repair any errors you notice right away. Getting your credit record fixed takes time, and you may not have the time to do it while applying for a personal loan. Know your credit score and whether or not your credit is acceptable to lenders. On the loan application, provide accurate information. Make sure you offer only proper and accurate information when applying for a signature loan. Submit the necessary papers, which include verifiable evidence of residency, income, and employment. It's a good idea to attach a short but clear self-explanatory letter to your credit report if it contains negative things connected to situations over which you have no control. It's critical that you demonstrate credit accountability and provide proof of your attempts to remedy the matter. The information you offer will go a long way toward assisting the account officer and loan underwriter in approving your loan application. Collateral can be used to secure a loan. While an unsecured personal loan is the best sort of loan to get, there are times when a lender will want some form of security or collateral to assure repayment. You can provide any valuable item that you lawfully own, such as a vehicle or real estate, if it is your only alternative. However, be mindful of the potential danger. If you default on your loan or do not pay it back in full, you risk losing your home. Obtain a cosignatory. Another option for getting your personal loan approved is to bring a cosigner, someone who will serve as a co-borrower, and share the legal obligation for repaying the loan. When you ask a friend or family to co-sign your loan paperwork, you're basically putting him in financial jeopardy if you don't pay your loan back on time. Anyone who agrees to co-sign your loan has a lot of faith in you, and you must work hard to preserve that faith. To prevent destroying your connection with your cosigner, make it a point to make your monthly loan payments on time. Consider a bad credit loan if you have bad credit. It is not a good idea to submit loan applications to many lenders at the same time, but if one lender rejects your application, it may be a good idea to look for other creditors. Lenders evaluate and approve loan requests in a variety of ways. If you have a poor credit rating, you may wish to apply for a bad credit loan from a specialized lender. However, be sure you're working with a reputable financial institution rather than a con artist that preys on individuals in similar situations to you. Although this form of personal loan has a higher interest rate, you can rest confident that you will be approved. Use this as an opportunity to restore your credit, particularly by making on-time monthly payments. It might be really aggravating to have your personal loan application refused. Make every effort to get credit approval on your first application. When applying for a personal loan, tell the truth. Lying may and will get you in hot water. An open and honest description of problems in your credit history might assist the lender in better comprehending your situation. Take care of your credit and maintain a strong credit score so that bad credit will never be a problem in your future loan applications. Naturally, if you obtain a personal loan, you must make repayment your top priority. Paying your monthly amortizations on schedule will ensure that when you need money again, you won't have a hard time finding a loan. Borrowers who have demonstrated a high level of credit responsibility are given a lot of weight. When you secure a personal loan with collateral or a cosigner, it becomes even more important for you to make on-time payments. Use these tips when trying to get a personal loan and go get that money.